Okay, hello, you're welcome to my channel. Thank you for watching this video, and I believe whatever you're going to watch right now, you're going to like it, okay? And when you like it, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Just press the subscribe button, the red button there, okay? It's actually free. Just press it up, and if you want to get some notifications from us, you turn on the notifications as well. Good. Okay, I just wish you the best of luck as you go ahead and watch the video, and don't forget to subscribe. You can even do it now so that you don't forget. All right. Okay, hello, you're welcome to my channel. Now in this video, we want to look at what I call the table method for product rule. Okay, so if you have a function which is equal to the product of two functions, like if we have y to be a product of two functions of x, then dy dx will be the first function times the derivative of the other plus the second function times the derivative of the first. So that is the general product rule we all know of, right? Good. Okay, so I'm going to look at how I can put this on a table, okay, and make the work a little bit easier or more systematic for you to see. So if we have a function y to be u times v, okay, this is how we can differentiate it just by using the product rule. But in case you want to use a table that we want to look at right now, this is how you're going to start with. You have your function y to be u times v, right? Good. Okay, so you can put a table like this. Just draw this, draw that, put the u here, and put the v here, okay? Now, here you are going to differentiate this function, the u, all right? So you just put down the derivative of that u with respect to x. And then over here, you differentiate this v, okay? So you say the derivative of that v with respect to x. Good. So when you're done putting down the functions, you differentiate each of them, all right? And then what you have to do is to multiply this with that, multiply them diagonally, also multiply this with that. And when you multiply u with dv dx, you're going to have the product will give you the derivative, all right? So you can put it down as dy dx is going to be u times dv dx, okay? U dv dx plus, okay? So you remember you always add. In this case, just add it with, maybe you can put a sign like this, just put add, so that it will show you that when you multiply, you're going to add them, all right? So when you add them together, you're going to have v times du dx. And you can see that this right here is the product rule. So you can just do that by multiplying it diagonally, right? And adding the two products together. Okay, let's just look at one example. If you have, let's say, an example, let's say we have a function to be x times sine of x. Okay, you want to find the derivative of this function with respect to x. All you need to do is put it in this form, okay? U times v. So maybe you can call this first one here u, and then call this second part here v, all right? So you take note that your u is equal to x, and v is just sine x. So the next thing you need to do is put this table like this. So we just draw a simple table. Great. The first thing we did here was to write the u, right? What is your u here? U is x, so you just put down the x. The next thing you do is write the v, which is sine x over here. The next thing we did down here was to differentiate each of them, all right? So when you differentiate x with respect to x, you just have 1. So you differentiate that, we have 1. Differentiate the sine x. You have positive cosine x, all right? So that is what we get for the derivative of sine x. And you know what? You're just going to add the two of them, all right? The two products. So you're going to multiply this with that, and then multiply this with that. So when you multiply, that will give you the derivative of that function, which is x times cosine of x. Then we add it with 1 times sine x is just sine x, all right? And then this right here is going to give us the derivative of that function with respect to x. Okay, so you can use this, all right, and find the derivative of many functions as you want to, right? It's very simple and systematic to follow up. Actually, the formula to follow up the formula is also very easy, all right? Good. Now, what if we are given 3 functions? For example, if y is made up of the product of 3 functions, how can we possibly differentiate it? Well, we can do that, all right, by using the product rule as usual, but can we put that in a table? So in our next slide, I'm going to do that. Okay, so let's just get right into it. All right, thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.